Hi friends, welcome to Techloonter Media. Before going to start, if you are not still subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and click on bell icon for latest videos. In last video, we have discussed on mean, how to calculate mean using machine learning. In this video, we will going to discuss on how to calculate median using machine learning. Then how to calculate median mathematically. So, I have taken one example data set 99, 86, 87, 88, 111, 86, 103, 87, 94, 78, 77, 85, and 86. I have taken one example data set. So, how to calculate median mathematically? I'm going to show how to calculate. So, arrange this data set in increasing order. I have to arrange this data set in increasing order. First, the list value is 77. So I'm going to start with 77. 77, then 78, then 85, then 86, then 86, oh, again 86, then 87, then again 87, then 88, then 94, 99, 111, and 103. This is the ascending order of data set. And you can see here 87. You can see here 87 is the middle one. Total 13 numbers are there in data set, in which 87 is the middle one. And it is called the median. The 87, the middle one, you can see divide 13 divided by 2. So we can get 87. So this 87 is the answer. This 87 is the median. So now how to calculate a median in using machine learning by coding method. So go to Jupyter notebook, click on new, click on Python 3. So next, let's come to the coding part. Type import numpy. I have already discussed in last video what is numpy. So next, I set array name as speed. I'm going to set array name as speed. So type the data here. 87, 88, 86, 94, 78, 77, 85, and 86. So next, then store answer in the variable x. So x equals numpy dot median of speed. Numpy works with array. Here numpy works with array. So write numpy dot do median to the array speed. Do median to the speed array. Then print the x, then save. You should click on save and run the code. 87. You can see the answer, that is 87. This is how the way to calculate median using machine learning. So in next video we will going to discuss about mode. We have already discussed mean, median. Next video we will going to discuss on mode. And I hope this video is going to be very useful to you. If you like this video, please like, comment and share this video, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.